Today I'm going to show you how to create an inbound rule in Windows Defender Firewall. Specifically how to close a desired port. Press the Windows key, search for Windows Defender Firewall and open the program. Go to Advanced Settings, pick Inbound Rules, and as you can see, this is where all your pre-made inbound rules are listed. Click on the New Rule action. Choose what type of rule you would like to create. For this demonstration I will pick the port option. Here we can choose between Transmission Control Protocol and User Datagram Protocol. We'll go with TCP. Next we will decide if the rules apply to all local ports or a specific port. For this example I'll be blocking a random port. Now if you want to allow a certain port you can do this here, or you can choose to only allow it if it's secure, meaning the connection will have to have been authenticated using IPsec. In this instance I'm looking to block the connection. Here we get to pick what network type the rule will apply to. I'll keep it on every type. And finally pick a name for the rule, and if you want you can add a description. The rule appears in the top of the list, and as you can see the icons show that this rule will block while the others allow. To remove the rule, make sure it's highlighted and click on delete. That's all. Good luck.